Okay, real talk. How many AI tools are you currently using? Like, I've got one for making presentations, a different one for generating images, another one for writing, and then I still need cloud storage on top of all that. It's a mess. I'm paying for like 4 different subscriptions, switching between tabs constantly, and half the time the tools don't even work well together. So I went on a mission. I wanted to find out, is there actually one tool that can replace all of this? And guys, I think I found it. This is Terabox AI. And before you say anything, yes, you've probably heard of Terabox as a cloud storage app, the one that gives you a massive 1 terabyte of free storage. But they've completely transformed into something way bigger than that. They're calling it an all-in-one AI workspace, and in this video, I'm going to put that claim to the test by building an entire dropshipping business proposal from scratch, using nothing but Terabox AI. Presentations, images, writing, all of it. One tool. Let's dive in. Alright, so here's the plan. I'm going to build a dropshipping business proposal completely from scratch. The kind of thing you'd actually send to a potential investor or business partner. Normally, this would take me a solid 2 to 3 days. Research, writing, slide design, formatting, it's a whole thing. Let's see how long it takes with Terabox AI. By the way, you will find the link in the description. So I'm on the dashboard right now, and you can see all the tools and agents here. First of all, we have the Genflow agent. This is a dedicated space for AI-driven document and workflow automation, intended to help users go from a simple prompt or file to a finished professional project. This time, I will use it for my research. So I am asking, help me conduct an in-depth research-based top-selling e-commerce product in the US in the past 2 years. Now you can attach any files if you need. We don't need it. So I will click on the Continue button from here. And you can see that the Genflow agent starts its work. It will complete the research in 3 steps. Plan the task, execute task, and output the result. Once the planning is completed, you can notice that the agent is now browsing the internet, gathering data, analyzing it, and extracting the information. Once done, it will generate the final research result. And here it is. The result is ready. And this is really amazing. Genflow creates a high-value research paper. The content is factually right and well formatted. It also added graphs and tables for better understanding. Traditionally, it will take at least a week to make this quality research paper. I really love it. Okay, as we have all the top-selling products, now I will create a dropshipping business strategy. So, I am typing, based on the research, can you please make a dropshipping business strategy in 2026 that will be profitable? Once we hit the Continue button, Genflow takes all the information from the previous research and all the information from the internet, and then starts analyzing them to conduct the new research and give us a solid result. And here it is, the strategy is ready. After reading this research result, I can say that this is top-notch. That's exactly what I need to start a new business. Now I have all the information. And to-do list. Okay, my strategy is ready. Now imagine I need an investor, and for that I have to make a perfect proposal for them. I can't just send the business strategy. I need to make it presentable and breathtaking. That's why this time, I will use the AI Presentation Maker tool of Terabox AI. Here you will find 3 options: Agent Mode, Standard Presentation, and Beauty Presentation. The last option is to enhance a basic PPT file to stunning presentation. I'm starting with Agent Mode because this is the most powerful one. It doesn't just slap some text on a template. It actually goes out, searches for real information on your topic, writes the content, and designs the whole thing autonomously. Watch this, I am typing. Based on the attached file, create a stunning presentation on e-commerce dropshipping strategy in 2026. Now, I will attach the research file I just downloaded. After that, we have to select the number of slides. You can create up to 50 slides in a single presentation. For this tutorial, I will go with 10 to 15 slides. Once done, hit the send button. So while this is running, think about what's actually happening right now. The AI is researching dropshipping, pulling together relevant data, structuring it into a logical flow, and writing the copy for each slide. And here it is. The outline of the slides is ready. It creates 14 slides. Now, you can review and customize them if needed. If you are satisfied, click here, and the AI will start designing the final presentation. And there it is. Look at this. This is a complete professional business proposal, content and design. Done. Honestly, if I submitted this to a client right now, they would have no idea an AI made it in under 2 minutes. That's kind of wild. And the design isn't generic either. It's clean, it's structured, the hierarchy makes sense. This is the kind of slide deck that actually gets taken seriously. However, if you find any issues with the presentation, you can just click on the Edit button and customize the presentation as per your need. You're not locked into what it gives you. Everything is editable. I can click on any text and change it. I can swap out images and adjust the layout. So the AI handles the heavy lifting, the research, the structure, the design, and you just come in and personalize it. That's the workflow, and it's genuinely fast. Okay, now let me show you something that I think a lot of people are going to love. The Beautify Slides feature. So let's say you already have a presentation. Maybe you made it in a rush, the content is solid but it looks rough. Plain white background, default fonts, no real design to it. Let's say I want to enhance my existing presentation. So, I am uploading it. The AI is going to analyze the content, understand the structure, and then automatically redesign the whole thing. Okay, look at that. Same content, completely different presentation. It went from looking like a first draft to looking like something a design agency put together. This is perfect if you're a student who has all the content but zero time to make it look good, or a professional who needs to polish up a deck before a big meeting. One upload, one click, done. And of course, once you're happy with everything, you can export it straight to your computer or save it directly to your Terabox cloud storage so it's accessible from any device, anywhere. All right. Now I am going to talk about another way to create an amazing presentation. Now, you can create slides with Nano Banana with the Nano Banana Slides Maker. Once you select the tool, enter your topic here in this box, and then hit the Continue button. Like the agent mode, it will create the outline first. You can review and customize it if needed. Once done, click here to create the presentation. And here it is, the presentation is ready. And look at the quality of the presentation. This is really amazing. As it was created by Nano Banana, it features more images and visuals. However, if you are not satisfied with any image, you can create the image separately. Because Terabox AI has integrated with AI Image and Video Generator, this is the AI Image Generator interface. Here, we have to enter the prompt. I'll type something like, macro product shot of a Red Bull can floating diagonally against a black background. The can is covered in condensation with dynamic water droplets splashing around it. Hit generate. Okay, that is a genuinely professional product photo. No camera, no studio, no editing software, just a text description. Now if you want to create a product video with this image, come to the Video tab, enter the prompt, select the video generation model and other settings, and then hit generate. And here it is. The video is ready. This is really amazing. Studio lighting, high contrast, photorealistic. So, Terabox is a true all-in-one hub. There is something more. Look at the sidebar. You've got AI Essay Writer. Give it a topic and it writes a full structured piece for you. Great for students. Great for professionals who need reports or proposals drafted fast. Smart Paraphrase. Paste in any text and rewrite it in a different tone or style. Deep Research. This one is seriously impressive. You ask it a broad question, and it doesn't just give you a quick answer. It searches multiple sources and comes back with a full, structured research report, like having a research assistant on demand. AI Transcription. Upload any audio or video file, or even record live, and it converts it to clean, readable text with key points summarized automatically. No more re-watching hour-long recordings just to find one thing someone said. Study, work, creation. It genuinely covers all of it. So, did Terabox AI actually replace my entire AI workflow? Honestly? Yeah, pretty much. Presentations, images, writing, research, transcription. It's all here, in one place, and it's free to get started. If you want to try it yourself, the link is in the description, and I've also pinned it in the comments below so you can find it instantly. Go check it out. I think you're going to be genuinely surprised. If this video was helpful, drop a like and hit subscribe. Alright, that's it for today. I'll catch you in the next one.